Hello, and welcome to this edition of ACT's Social Media Roundup. I'm Hannah Becker, Community Manager for Applied Clinical Trials, and I'll be taking you through the most popular content on the social web. From Applied Clinical Trials Online, we start off with our most popular blog post by Chris Kramer of Quanticate, talking about electronic clinical trials and the expectations of the regulatory agencies. Andrew Schaefer of ISR Reports had another popular blog, breaking down the results of their recent report on adaptive trial market dynamics. In his view from Brussels, Peter O'Donnell discusses the European Union's pharmacovigilance arrangements and the possibility of Phase 4 efficacy studies being overlooked. The selection of TransPerfect's Trial Interactive platform as the eTMF solution of choice for worldwide clinical trials drew attention, as did the announcement by INC Research of their expansion of global consulting capabilities through a new strategic advisory services unit. The links to these stories, as always, can be found beneath this video in our news clips page. Around the web, the buzz of social media and digital technology is growing louder. From mobile health apps to communicating with doctors via text message to crowdfunding cures through sites like GoFundMe, the call to social is getting more convincing. On a more somber note, the ethical debate around the true meaning of informed consent is getting heated up again, as the story of a young man who committed suicide in 2004 following a psychiatric clinical trial reemerged in the news. An announcement by Novo Nordisk that they've begun to study their type 2 diabetes drug Victoza as a potential treatment for obesity drew some attention. The trial results are due in the first half of next year. This week also brought some good news for breast cancer survivors, when a new report from the American Institute for Cancer Research showed that soy consumption does not increase the chances of cancer reoccurrence as previously thought. In fact, the AICR added soy to its list of foods that fight cancer. Closing out this week's roundup is another interesting study released this recently that suggests giving iron supplements to babies born with a low birth weight may help prevent behavioral problems later in life, in addition to providing a little extra boost in brain development. That's it for this edition of ACT's Social Media Roundup. Think I missed something? Let me know on Twitter at @clin_trials, and have a very happy holiday season.